So here is how we can wrap text in Excel on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, the first step is to get the Microsoft Excel app. So make sure you download it if you haven't already, and make sure you're signed in and all of that. But now we are inside of a spreadsheet. I'm working with some kind of file, and all I want to do now is to click on a cell or perhaps even more, and then now I want to be inside of this home section, because at the top you can see so many options, but I want you to go to the home and then find the alignment. So as you can see, those three lines are the alignment menu, so you can tap it like this and it's going to show you some options. So scroll through them a little bit and we have the wrap text. So I can tap on it like this and it should kind of like make that work. And you can see we have it now selected. So yeah, this is where you can find it. It kind of depends on what the goal is and like what you want to achieve with it, but this is where it can be found. Let me know if you manage to find it on your iPad as well in the Excel. Of course, if there is anything else which looks a little bit off in this, in this video compared to your app, just go to the App Store and look up the app to see if there isn't any update available. In fact, for me is, so it's always a good idea to get the latest version of your apps. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in future uploads.